up that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you could see from the title, I will be working with the lovely UNice hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 13x4 Jerry Curly reddish brown unit, and it is in 24 inches. It is 150 density, but the unit is super duper full, so I am literally living for that. Right now, I am just pretty much going to show you guys how I did my quick and easy glueless install. I'm going to show you guys what I used to define my curls exactly. So if you want to get your wig from UNice looking like this, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase, and just keep on watching. Let's jump into today's tutorial.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body died me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. Now you want to run like a nothing. I think dance for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because who every time she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see. Why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me.
Okay babes, so I'm finally finished and this wig is from UNice hair. They went ahead and sent me their reddish brown Jerry curly unit. It is a 24-inch 150 density 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I decided to just do a little side part. At first I wanted a flip over, but you know, like, it's really giving side, and I don't usually do my side parts on this side, so for right now it's looking a little different for me, but for you it's probably looking the same. So far so good. The hair is gorgeous, the texture is everything, and it is really nice and full for this 150 density. The only thing that I think about this texture is that the curls are so tight to the point where the 24 is giving 22-ish, but that is okay because once I swing it to the back it goes all the way down to become like somewhat of a 24. So yeah, this is the wig. I live for the softness of this hair. It is so soft. So yeah, if you would like to purchase this gorgeous unit from UNice, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.